Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we shall be talking about an introduction to JSON. JSON, JSON, is a programming language that derives from JavaScript. JSON actually stands for JavaScript Object Notation, which is the J stands for Java, while the S stands for script, while the O stands for object, and the N stands for notation. JSON can be written in a text format, just like JavaScript, and it can be written in text editor, similar to JavaScript, exactly as JavaScript. JSON, JSON can be changed to JavaScript as it is derived from JavaScript. It can also be changed to JavaScript, vice versa, because JavaScript has a string, has function that allows you to change JSON code into JavaScript code. So which means that you can run JSON, convert JSON codes to JavaScript. JSON actually is a self-describing and easy to understand programming language. Just as JavaScript, JSON is very easy to understand. JSON uses some of its syntax and function from JavaScript as it derives from JavaScript. So as well it uses this concept of JavaScript as well. JSON actually stores and transports data. JSON stores and transport data. This is one of its function, its operation, and being that strong programming language, it stores and transports data within a computer. You can see JSON in so many operations in websites, in even softwares as well, as in the interfaces. You have softwares, and JSON is the backbone of these softwares. So JSON allows you to store and transport data. It sends this data from computers to computers, and it is an independent programming language. As far as it derives from JavaScript, also it is also an independent programming language. So the code that what makes it independent because of its function, the ability to as it specific as it specifically perform this operation, storing and transporting data specifically, and it does it that vastly. So this makes JSON a very independent programming language, and it's a very lightweight programming language. It's easy to understand when you start programming in JSON, very easy to understand. And when it stores data, the data has to be in a certain format, and regardless of where you choose to store it, text is always one of the the way this format are stored. So it stays in a certain format for you to store this data and for you to transfer this data. So if you miss its syntax, if you miss any certain error on JSON, so there's a big chance that your program may not function well. This is just an introduction to JSON programming language. In the next and the future chapters, in future tutorials, we'll talk about how to run JSON and how to use JSON. Thank you for listening, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye.